Good morning, guys. As you can tell, I'm pretty messy right now. We just woke up and we are going to eat the hotel breakfast soon. So let's get prepared. If you see any food that you like, you just tell me, okay? It's coffee. You don't drink coffee.
Oh, coffee?
There's cereals. You don't want cereal? Oh, there's chocolate milk. Anybody want chocolate milk?
I want chocolate milk.
Okay, you hold on. You hold on. Let's go find the other stuff. Because it's iced. Okay. Yeah. There's pork sausage, veggie patties, salad. This is rice, yogurt, oatmeal. Careful. They went to find a seat. Oh, they're right there. Bread. Oh, it's like toasting your bread, I guess. I think, oh, and you can make your own waffles. Awesome. Oh, I would definitely try to do this. Ooh, this looks interesting. Alright, let's get food. Making waffle. So cool. Takes 2 minutes. So I'll be back. He's waiting. Cool. Look how beautiful it is. It's perfect.
A few moments later.
Hi, we are back to the hotel room and as you can tell, I have makeup on and everything is ready. We're heading out to the zoo. It's right now 9:48. We have reservation at 10:30 for the zoo, so we're about to head out. Let's go. We are here. Me and my sister's family parked at complete different parking lot because there are apparently a few, and we park like on the opposite side, so we have to walk all the way over to meet up. What's that sound? Okay.
The next pet.
I know. Hold on. We have to wait for everybody, Lucas. Lucas, we have to wait for everyone.
The next person.
You want to play with the boat? The what?
Oh my goodness. So this.
Oh my goodness.
This.
Yeah?
This.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Sting.
There's all the animals around the area. Oh, they're right here. Look, they're swimming. You see them swimming? You see it? Yeah, there was one swimming over there. There's one. Oh, they're right here. Look. Do we line up to feed the penguin? Let's see.
No, I don't want to feed the penguin.
Really? We're gonna let kids feed the penguins, so we're lining up. We've been lining up for like roughly 15-20 minutes now. Almost there. Almost there. That's so cute. Okay, it's our turn. Go. Hi. Good.
Yeah, we're good.
Yes. Okay, you feed 2 and Zach feed 2, okay?
Okay. Wow, that's nice.
They're hungry. Look, they're like, give me food.
Hurry up, I'm hungry. They're always hungry.
That's good.
Never them every day.
Oh, wow.
They are very,
And they're so tiny.
okay, they are waiting, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Yeah. Rosie. And Edith. Okay, Emma first, okay?
Rosie and Edith ready to eat.
Hi. Hungry babies? How's your day
Give them
going?
the small silver sides. You just want to hold that by the tail and drop it in with the front pointing down.
With the front pointing down. Yeah. Okay, drop it. Oh, you catched it. Good job. Want to do another one? Okay, two.
Two. Okay.
Good job, baby. Okay, Zach's turn. Okay, you can take it off now.
Good job. So you fed Rosie and Edith
Rosie
today.
and Edith. Whoa, they're so
excited. Okay, one more. One more. Wow, that's too far.
I have to go catch it. We're not supposed to, but we end up getting 2 strollers because the kids are like, they're sleepy because they didn't sleep very well in the hotel yesterday. But it's okay, I can at least put some stuff on it. What's next? What's next?
Okay, good. Listen here. Ready?
Okay, got it, let's go. Spoil babies.
Oh, they're right over there.
Yeah, they're just chilling. Hello. So cute. So cool.
The baby might come back.
Hey Joanna, what are you doing in there?
I think that's you.
Oh, he's coming.
That guy's coming.
That's what we were talking about. How big is the ostrich egg compared to a regular egg? 30. Warthog. So cute. Are they like the ones in the Lion King? It's so cool. Love it. They're so cute. Hi, baby. Are we getting some yummy snacky? Yeah. Getting some yummy snacky. Be careful. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, no. You happy now? Are you happy? Maya.
Yummy.
You want a Whopper?
Whopper. It's yummy.
Look, do you want to drink water?
Yummy.
Water.
Why are we gonna do? I don't know. How do we get?
很热的东西。
Or the piggy bank.
Ew. Hi, Paper. How are you?
Hi, Paper.
Paper. He's coming. Hello. Wow, he's coming.
Hi, Paper.
What is he looking for? His nose is looking for something. What exactly is this sleeping position over here? Like, what is he doing? Oh my god. That's so funny. He's enjoying it for sure. having the time of their lives. Go to the zoo and don't even need to walk. It's too cold today, so they're like huddling up.
Let's go over here. So they know a number of behaviors. Where are we going? Weave.
Dad, you can go pee?
Slow weave, the slowest weave imaginable. There we go. So they do a variety of behaviors in all of our summer shows. We can try and demonstrate this behavior.
So cute.
Pull it.
Hey.
So even though this isn't a sign that we use right now, that was the theme of our show last summer. And so today Bailey is eating, we've got vegetables in here like carrots, we've got some yam, we have blueberries as well, which is one of her favorites, as well as some pig ring for that training. So they are very, very smart. As quiet as possible. When the right meal scurries underneath him, that's when he's going to pounce. And he's going to fly a little bit like a football. He's going to hit one spot very directly, very precisely, and with a whole lot of power, making owls one of the most successful predators on the entire planet. An owl like Buddy can actually eat up to 1,000 mice and rats in a single year. So owls are incredibly important forms of pest control. They can help keep those rodent populations down. He's like, I'm ready. So he is using that nose of his. He's got an incredible good sense of smell. He's using that nose of his to navigate. You gonna stand up? Maybe. Oh, that's so hard.
Oh, it's a red panda. So cute. Oh my god, oh Kyle. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
Start on my circle and you go left,
There's so many of them. We're trying to be hurried because it's 3 o'clock and the zoo closes at 4. So we gotta hurry. So we're kind of running a little bit right now.
Slow pace.
Are bear like the cutest but the most deadly animals out there? It looks so fluffy. I wanna hug them, but if I hug them, I'll probably die. I think they try to create like the natural habitat of the bear and the fish, so they actually put the fish within the bear den so they can catch the fish on their own. We're in the rainforest area. We're gonna see what's in here. Oh, I know they're majestic, but I can't. I can't. I just can't. Anything here? Oh, he's out there. I see it.
Oh, there's another poison.
Okay, we finished the zoo around 4:10. Pretty on time. We got out like right after the park is closed, and now we are going to find something to eat, and we decided to go to Ding Tai Fung. Yeah, baby. Okay, editing Jen here. I didn't even think about talking because we were so hungry, and the hot and sour soup and all the other food are so amazing. So I just didn't talk the whole meal to you guys, and I'm sorry about that, but the food was just too good. This is the beef noodle. So good. This is probably one of their best dish. Other than the xiaolong bao, it's also very good. This is probably one of my most satisfied meal for a while. Hi guys, we are back in the hotel. I'm so exhausted, but we are heading to the pool right now. I'm not gonna take you guys with us for the pool, so I'll see you guys tomorrow when we're heading home. Good night.